Hello, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team, and I want to give you an update on Oklahoma City. A lot of cool things are happening here right now. Canoe, C-A-N-O-O, a company that makes electric delivery vehicles, that did a 10,000 vehicle contract with Walmart. They're about to announce another very large contract for them. And they're moving into a very large facility off I-40 that used to be, I believe, commercial moving equipment. And they're going to be putting in a facility that is going to start making about 10,000 of these, 20,000 of these vehicles every year. Now, Canoe is also in the Tulsa market. That is where they're going to be producing batteries for these cars. So they've chosen Oklahoma as a place to be. And again, as I've said in my Tulsa videos, the low cost of living in Oklahoma City, 16% below the national average in Tulsa and Oklahoma City. The fact that we're the third lowest city in the United States in cost of doing business is making us extremely attractive. The other thing, with the population growth, with the money here, with everything that's going on, then another really cool project is about to happen. This company that does this around the country and puts outdoor amphitheaters in on the west side of town, Mustang, Yukon area, is building a 12,000 seat outdoor amphitheater, kind of aping Red Rocks in Colorado. That's kind of their design idea. And you don't do things like this unless you're going to get 10 or 12,000 people coming to a concert or to a play or whatever it happens to be that they're doing on stage. But this is an example of just kind of the out of way things that are happening here. I've talked about, big ticket, companies coming in, a Restoration Hardware, a Capital Grill, all sorts of things that are going on in the Oklahoma City market. Another thing that I just read is the fact that we're becoming one of the major centers for warehousing. You've got two interstate highways that crisscross downtown Oklahoma City. Interstate 35, north and south, Interstate 40, east and west. So it becomes a great place for warehousing. I mean, Amazon chose us a long time ago to have a monstrous distribution center. The Hobby Lobby company keeps adding on because they're nationwide right now. But new companies are moving in, new construction is going on in warehousing. This is something that brings in a lot of money. Obviously, trucking becomes a huge thing in Oklahoma City because the fact that we are a crossroads in our location, being fairly centralized, but to the south, just below Kansas, above Texas. It's a great place for warehousing. So just more things just keep going on in the Oklahoma City market. We're very proud of it with the job creation, the lowest unemployment just about in the United States. It's a city that just continues to be dynamic, spends money on a lot of cool things, quality of life, things to do. These are things with that low cost of living, the low cost of doing business that attracts more and more companies into our market. And so real estate investment becomes extremely important. Low prices, affordable prices, population growth. We have wonderful properties right now to offer from some really great builders. Really consider Oklahoma City. The economics, the dynamics, the consistency over the last 23 years in terms of our economy makes it a place that you ought to really think about. So if you are, give us a call, give us an email. Be happy to talk to you about our opportunities.